In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop to improve workflow. Think of Microsoft Loop as a flexible home base for your projects where plans, notes, tasks, and resources stay connected and up to date no matter where your team is working. First, open your browser and head to loopmicrosoft.com, then sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. If you use Loop at work or school, choose that account so you can collaborate with your team. Once you're in, you'll land on the Loop home where you can see recent work and jump into projects quickly. Next, create a workspace. A workspace is your project's container. It keeps related pages, links, and files together so nothing gets lost. Give it a clear, searchable name and a short description to set context for collaborators. If you're working with others, double check the sharing or visibility settings now so the right people can see it from the start. Inside your workspace, create pages to structure your content. Pages are where the real work happens. Use one for objectives, another for meeting notes, and another for timelines or risks, whatever matches your project. You can add subpages to keep things tidy and drag sections around as plans evolve. Treat each page like a living document that grows with your project rather than a static file you finish and forget. To jumpstart your setup, use built-in templates. The project planning template is a great place to begin because it includes sections and components you'll likely need, such as goals, milestones, and task tracking. Apply the template to a page, then customize headings, statuses, and fields so they mirror your team's language. Templates save time and create consistency, especially across multiple work streams. When you're ready to add content, just start typing anywhere on the page. For richer structure, press the / key to open the insert menu. From here, you can drop in tables for structured data, checklists to capture quick to-dos, images for context, and task components. Assign tasks by mentioning teammates, add due dates, and track status right on the page. As work progresses, update items in line so everyone stays aligned without switching tools. Pro tip, keep task names action-oriented and include an owner and deadline. Clarity reduces follow-ups. As you build momentum, keep everything in the workspace so your links, files, and notes remain easy to find. Use concise titles for pages, pin key pages to the top, and revisit your template sections weekly to keep plans realistic. That's it. You've set up Loop, organized a focused workspace, built pages that reflect how your team works, leveraged a template, and used the / command to add the components that drive execution. Now you're ready to run your project in one connected place.